Alright guys, so I've stopped here at the farmer's market and grabbed a little snack. It's fish with hot chili and some vegetables. I don't think that's tomato sauce, but it is very hot. It's like pretty spicy, but man, it is beautiful. So I'm gonna try some. Being a pescatarian, which is a vegetarian who eats seafood, let's try some of this. Beautiful. It's only about $3, but very tasty and very hot. If you like chili, you'll love this. Let's grab some of that vegetable there. Very nice, but very hot. Woo. So one thing I noticed here in Seoul is that they hardly have any motorbikes on the roads. It's pretty much cars, trucks, buses, and they've got the subway system here, so a lot of people use the subway system. The streets are not that packed because everyone's using the subway system, and this place is very clean. It reminds me of Taiwan actually, and just even looking at some of the designs on the buses and the Chinese writing or the Asian writing, it looks really cool. Anyway guys, I'm enjoying this awesome fish kind of soup, kind of pasta type thing.
Thank you.
Okay. So I've been here to the farmer's market, bought one of these thing buns, which is about, I think, $1 New Zealand. It's actually quite delicious. It's got some beans in it and a couple of little vegetables and whatnot. It's kind of like a cross between a hot sting bun and maybe sting pudding. Pretty tasty. What's up guys, we're here at Gyeongbokgung Palace in the heart of Seoul, Korea. You can see the palace right here. Beautiful day today, quite a lot of people here at the palace. We're going to have a little look around and then later on we're going to head up one of the local mountains for a look and better view of Seoul here in Korea. Alright guys, I'm at the bottom of Mount Inwangson here in the heart of Seoul, Korea. I'm about to hike up there. I think it's going to take like an hour. It's about, I think, 1 kilometer to the top, It's about 400 or 500 meters high, so it's not too bad, but it is quite steep and it is very hot today, so hopefully I don't sweat too much. Anyway, let's get up to the top and try and get some good vibes of Seoul, Korea. Alright guys, we made it to the top of Mount Inwangson here in the heart of Seoul. Here is Seoul City. It's a little bit kind of misty. It's a bit cloudy. Not too cloudy though, but you can see a little bit of mist. It took about an hour and a bit to get up here. Great walk. I'm going to try and follow this wall all the way down. It actually goes all the way back into the city, so I'm going to try and see where it leads to. Time to descend. Anyway guys, I'm here at Namdaemun markets in the heart of Seoul. I'm just going to go for a bit of a look, see if I can grab some dinner. I did notice the prices here in Seoul is a bit expensive, probably on par with New Zealand, and that's all good though, but I do want to try some of the Korean food and check out some of the vibes here. There you go guys, got a octopus fish fried cake with some beautiful sauce on it. Yum yum. Korean dumpling and Korean pancake, vegetarian. So I managed to grab a couple of things here at the Namdaemun markets in the heart of Seoul. Tried the dumplings, tried the fish cakes, awesome food, and managed to get some watermelon just down here. It is a little bit more expensive than Vietnam, so I guess it's a bit more developed country, so you're paying a little bit more for food and all sorts of different things. Managed to bargain down and get myself one of these bags here. He wanted around 20,000 won, but I managed to get it down to about 10,000 won, which is around $12 New Zealand, which isn't too bad. It's probably a knockoff one anyway, but it's better than the one I had before. Anyway guys, time to head back to the ACOM. It's been a pretty cool day here in Seoul, first day, and it's good to be back into vlogging mode as well. We'll see you guys on the next video. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys.